Hello everyone, welcome to Coco Sri Lanka YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to talk about the latest machine manufactured by the Coco Sri Lanka that can provide the highest quality cocoa peat using the latest technology and is more efficient than the previous coconut husk crusher machines. As you know, Coconut Sri Lanka is a company that manufactures machines using the strongest and most high quality raw materials. Therefore, we offer a 2-year warranty for the raw materials of the machines manufactured by our company. However, before purchasing a machine, you pay attention to electricity used to open it. For this machine, you need two motors. The 3-phase horsepower 7.5 motor is used for the crushing turbo and the horsepower 2 motor is used for the cutting coconut husk. However, a person who does not have 3-phase electricity can use a diesel engine to operate the turbo of this machine. In addition, you can use the single-phase horsepower 2 motor for the coconut husk cutting part of this machine. Also, you need to think about your safety before purchasing a machine. This coconut husk crusher machine is manufactured to be 100% safely by Coconut Sri Lanka. Therefore, anyone can handle this machine quite easily. Further, from this machine, we can crush more than 3,500 coconut husks per day. For this machine, we have used the best quality England blades. So, from this video, we have just given a brief introduction to the machine. If you want to know more information about this machine, reach out to the following contact number, email or the website. Telephone number note 764103 Website www.cocodreamslanka.com. Email info@cocodreamslanka.com. Address Coco Sri Lanka, Halawatha Road, Hammaligedara Bandara Koswatta. If not, search Coco Sri Lanka on Google Maps to find our company. I hope to finish this video from here. Subscribe to our channel if you want to know about our new products. Hit the like button and share if you think the video is valuable. Thank you all for watching the video.